So I think today the city will be very calm because everybody is working. Yesterday was a Sunday and it was already calm. So imagine today, which is a working day. Well, in most countries, working days are very stressful. A lot of people on the street. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I will find a lot of people downtown. Who knows? We have a very nice park here in the left. We have Bolshoi Opera House. Whoa, it's warm. Let's cross here. Let's go through the park. Oh, the smell here is wonderful. It's so fresh. Love it. It's very healthy. And then right in our front, we have Bolshoi Opera House. Wow, it's really beautiful. A lot of Brazilians, I knew that they came here for opera singing, but I have no idea about who they are. I just know that many Brazilians, famous Brazilians, already came here. Wow, this fountain is very strong. I can feel the water arriving here. A little of water. What is interesting, I don't know if those girls are Russian or Belarusians, but they put a lot of fancy clothes and they take a lot of photos. It's great. I'm super happy here in Belarus. It's so great traveling to so many countries. It's tiring, it's exhausting, but at the same time it's so pleasurable. It's so like it gives us a feeling of victory, a feeling of wow, I can conquer everything. I can conquer in my life. Everything's possible if I plan everything advance. If I talk to people, if I'm open to people, everything is possible. And there is a squirrel there, but I'm far from him, so I don't think we will see him. But it's so nice. I don't know if we have squirrels in Brazil. I've never seen them before. I think they are more preeminent in winter, in cold countries, in countries located in the North Hemisphere. I saw them, I think, in the United States, in New York City, in Canada. I saw them in Toronto, and now here in Europe. But there in South America, I don't remember seeing them. They have electric buses. This is green buses we are seeing right now. In Sao Paulo, we have this kind of bus as well. In Sao Paulo, also in some neighboring cities, Sao Paulo metropolitan zone, we have this kind of bus. They're very nice. They're very ecological buses. This is a taxi in the city. I downloaded their app, but it isn't working on my cell phone. Tonight at 8 p.m. I have a bus to Brest, and I wouldn't like to walk like yesterday because it's far. I walked, I think, 30 minutes more or less. So yeah, if there is a taxi, I'd like to take the taxi because it's easier, it's not so tiring. The weather is so nice here. Oh, I love it. We have a nice river here, but the girl I met yesterday, she told me this river is dirty. I told her, do people swim him? And she told me no, because it's very dirty. As you can see, Jeff, the water is very green. But I don't know, comparing this river to the rivers in Sao Paulo, it looks like very clean. Guys, the rivers in Sao Paulo city, they're black. At least this one is a little is a little green and not that dark green. Sao Paulo it's black and there is a smell of shit everywhere, especially when it's hot. The smell of shit just goes everywhere. When I travel to other countries, I'd say I'm a little afraid of taking their buses, but this is not the correct word. But I'm a little uncertain on how to pay the driver or if I can pay the driver, because in some countries we must buy tickets outside. So in every country there is a different system, and this is always funny. We have some governmental building here. I don't understand anything Russian in Belarusian, so I don't know what's that. Hopefully one day I will learn Russian, but before I need to be fluent in German and in French. I consider myself like maybe B1 in both languages, like low intermediate. So I really need to practice them, which is hard because I'm working the whole day long back home and hardly I find time for studying. So imagine learning Russian, it would be crazy. Anyway, it's great. It's something I really want to learn, and it's great for the memories, great for the mind. I'm in doubt if I learn Russian or Arabic. Maybe Arabic would give me more job opportunities, because like Russia nowadays is into decline. Russian economy is not that good, and on the other hand, I believe there are more people speaking Arabic than Russian, and with Arabic I can work in Dubai, I can work in Egypt, I can work in Saudi Arabia and in so many countries. So yeah, it's something I'm not sure about.